Newspaper name. Today's major headline 1. Today's major headline 2. 1. The New York Times. Global leaders call for urgent ceasefire as conflict escalates. Federal Reserve signals possible interest rate hike amidst inflation concerns. 2. The Wall Street Journal. Tech stocks rally on strong Q3 earnings. S&P 500 hits new high. New corporate tax proposals face fierce opposition from business groups. 3. The Washington Post. Trump plays defense on tariffs as Americans face rising food prices. Preservationists sue Trump over plans to paint historic Eisenhower building. 4. USA Today. Bipartisan deal reached on infrastructure spending focusing on clean energy. Exclusive look at the new space mission launch preparations in Florida. 5. Los Angeles Times. California drought worsens, threatening key agricultural regions. Hollywood studio merger approved, raising antitrust scrutiny. 6. Chicago Tribune. City Council votes to reform police oversight following months of debate. Iconic local landmark designated as a National Historic Site. 7. The Boston Globe. Regional housing crisis pushes young professionals out of metropolitan area. Local university researchers discover breakthrough in cancer treatment. 8. The Philadelphia Inquirer. State election recount underway after a narrow gubernatorial victory. New public transit line expansion faces unexpected budget shortfalls. 9. The Dallas Morning News. Texas energy grid holds strong despite unexpected winter cold snap. Local school district debates new mandatory AI ethics course. 10. The Denver Post. Colorado battles massive wildfires. State of emergency declared. Ski season outlook brightens with early snowfall in the Rockies. 11. Newsday. Long Island community leaders protest planned commercial development. Local high school football team wins state championship title. 12. The San Francisco Chronicle. Bay Area tech layoffs continue impacting regional economy. New policy aims to increase affordable housing units downtown. 13. The Seattle Times. Amazon announces major investment in renewable energy projects worldwide. Local fishermen report declining salmon populations in Puget Sound. 14. Tampa Bay Times. Hurricane season post-mortem. Insurance costs predicted to skyrocket. Florida governor signs controversial new education bill into law. 15. The Atlanta Journal-Constitution. Georgia election case against Trump has a new prosecutor. Local airport unveils massive expansion project to handle traffic surge. 16. Miami Herald. Cuba-U.S. relations show signs of thaw after trade mission. Art Basel opens to record crowds and major sales. 17. Detroit Free Press. UAW workers ratify new contract ending strike against automakers. Auto industry shifts focus to electric vehicle battery production. 18. The Oregonian. Portland grapples with homelessness crisis. New funding approved. Environmental activists rally against logging in national forests. 19. The San Diego Union Tribune. Border security measures intensified amid renewed migrant crossings. Naval base prepares for a major fleet deployment exercise. 20. The Baltimore Sun. City crime rate drops significantly following new community policing strategy. Harbor revitalization project celebrates major construction milestone. 21. St. Louis Post-Dispatch. Midwest farmers struggle with late-season harvest due to unusual weather. New museum exhibit showcases local history and civil rights movement. 22. New York Post. ESPN blackout on YouTube TV ends as Disney and Alphabet strike deal. Jeffrey Epstein's vast web of powerful friends revealed in new documents. 23. Houston Chronicle. Oil prices stabilize after OPEC Plus meeting. Impact on gas stations minimal. Local universities lead the way in space technology research. 24. The Arizona Republic. Water rights battle intensifies along the Colorado River Basin. State legislature approves budget for new border technology. 26. The Plain Dealer, Cleveland. Former mayor indicted on corruption charges involving city contracts. Local theaters announce return to full-capacity performances. 27. The Mercury News, San Jose. Tech giant announces plans for a massive new campus in Silicon Valley. Residents push back against rapid gentrification of historic neighborhoods. 28. The Sacramento Bee. State mandates major shift to renewable energy sources by 2030. Capitol building closed for emergency asbestos removal and repairs. 29. The Columbus Dispatch. Ohio factory expansion expected to bring thousands of new jobs to region. University study links pollution to rising respiratory illnesses. 30. The Buffalo News. Blizzard warning issued for Western New York, travel bans imminent. Local hockey teams start season with a winning streak. 31. The Kansas City Star. Agricultural trade dispute resolved. Boost for soybean exports. Museum raises millions for acquisition of rare American art. 32. The Salt Lake Tribune. Mormon Church releases new guidelines on political involvement. Utah ski resorts prep for a record-breaking opening season. 33. Milwaukee Journal-Sentinel. Wisconsin manufacturing sector reports slow but steady growth. Local craft brewery wins top national award. 34. The Tennessean, Nashville. Music industry leaders discuss challenges of streaming royalty rates. New stadium construction project faces regulatory delays. 35. The Oklahoman. State oil and gas production reaches highest level in 5 years. Tornado drill preparation begins across the southern plains.